We're on Vlogmas. We're on day 6. We're up to day 6. This is my sister. I don't think she's made a Vlogmas appearance yet. She did film some ASMR earlier. I will insert that here. I just got back from a field trip. I had to go for the, what was it called? Something captain council for being a sports captain. Went to that, and now I'm in the green room of my high school, and I am backstage because my dog's in the play. We're doing the curious incident of the dog in the nighttime. Spoiler alert. There's a dog. My doggy's in school. My doggy's in school. Hey guys, so I'm gonna talk to you guys while I get changed. I'm just gonna leave you there. So basically, I came home from school today. I was on a field trip. Then I was backstage with my dog because he's in the play. And I came home and I slept because same thing as yesterday. I felt like garbage, but I'm back up. I have practice. I have to leave like now. So I'm just getting changed. And then I just have to put my hair in a ponytail and I'll be off. Literally, I've been so tired and I really think I'm getting sick, but that's not good. And also, I'm sorry my Vlogmas, vlogs during the week have been so short. I had a feeling this was gonna happen because a big chunk of my day is school, and I can't really vlog in school because there's not really any time to, and I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to. My school wouldn't let me. So yeah, well, I'm trying my best, and hopefully on the weekend my vlogs are filled with more content, because literally my vlogs I'm uploading are 5 minutes long. But hey. Alright, ponytail's up. I'm gotta go to practice.
Hi. My feet smell.
Hi.
My dad, is this
This is Vlogmas.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You're talking to a future.
You better watch out! You better watch out! You better watch out! You better watch out!
Not correct.
Look at my toe, Lily. Look at it. It's out of my.
Where is Ella?
She's getting.
Wait, whose sweatshirt is that? Is that not ours? No, the one on the ground right there. Look at my toe.
Oh, this is yours, guys?
I don't think so. That might be wrestling.
Alright, I'm not gonna close the door anyway.
Look at my toe.
Thank
Look at
you.
it. It's not in my sock. That's hot.
I love that.
I don't know what happened.
So we just finished practice.
My knee hurts so
It was
bad.
very nice, and we really were just on that hip hop grind today.
I was laughed at while I was shooting.
Oh, there's M. There's
Shotting.
M.
I don't know what you want to call it.
It's definitely not shotting. Oh, there's Chantal.
That sounds like sharding, and I can't.
There's Chantal.
Oh, come on.
Patriots are at 1.
Why are you vlogging? It's Vlogmas. Day 6.
Joanne and Richard.
Okay, but why are you doing it? Because I'm not a vlogger. Hey guys, so it really is midnight. I was on FaceTime with my friend. Let me just prop you up because I'm too lazy to hold you. I was on FaceTime for an hour and a half because, yeah, I just was, I was talking. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I need to wash my face. I'm gonna take a shower in the morning though because, yeah, but I can't do it now. I'm too tired. But I'm gonna wash my face, obviously, because that's just what normal people do before bed. And yeah. Oh. TGIF is real right now. Oh my god. The this vlog was probably like literally 4 minutes long, and if it was, like, I'm really sorry. But the weekend's coming up, and the weekend's gonna be like obviously more what's the word? More eventful. But so yeah, I think I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm really just going to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on my post notifications so you'll be notified when I upload my next Vlogmas vlog. Be sure to check out my playlist. I've been doing Vlogmas pretty much the whole month, you know? That's kind of how Vlogmas works. But yeah, and I'm like pretty proud of myself. Like my uploading times have been like pretty weak, I won't lie. That's just because I've had a lot of like stuff going on, so it's been like really hard to edit the videos and stuff, but I'm getting better at it. I'm slowly working into it, and yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.